Once we realized we weren't leaving the camp without assistance, we got towed out by a local farmer. It was a 21-kilometer tow with a tractor. It was slow going, and even though we were stuck for 4 days, we loved every minute of it and called our breakdown camp Clutch Corner. When we got to the closest town, we knew we couldn't wait for the parts to arrive in Baptaza, so we took a flatbed truck to get us back to Chef. It was nerve-wracking and the first time she's ever been towed. Hopefully the first and the last time.
I'm actually going for the brakes. What's the brake? If it helps you.
This truck was lifting in the front when the landing was going up.
Yeah?
There's no possible way that this thing should be carrying the land over. The back tire is almost flat on the ground.
Really?
Yes.
Promised you a life of adventure, baby. What are you doing? One breakdown at a time.
Once we got back to Chef, we had to wait 5 weeks to get the parts released by customs. But we toured the city, met old friends, made some new ones, and managed to get some work done.
So the day has arrived after a month or so. Our box, which has been sitting at customs in Casablanca drinking tea with Aduana, is apparently here. So I'm just waiting for my new friend to write down the passport details, and then we can liberate our parts. I hope I've got a beer to drink tonight.
No, you don't.
I don't?
No, not
No
one.
beer.
Not
Oh.
one. Sorry, baby.
Alright.
You had them all the other night.
I guess I have to just work on the vehicle.
Read the workshop manual.
Read the workshop manual. This is a shout out to our friends Biermak. We really rely on them when we have these kind of breakdown situations, and they're a huge part of our journey. So I want to say thank you very much to them for getting these parts to us. I know it wasn't easy getting it out of customs, and they had to butt some heads and pull some strings, but they did it. So let's have a look what's inside. Land Rover workshop manual. It's big, but Lord knows I need it. Value. Dual mass flywheel. Oh my god, that's heavy. Holy shit.
Told you.
Your sauce. That's a serious maniertjie. hub bearing kit. Oil seal, crankshaft rear. A replacement pipe for my snorkel. So guys, with your snorkels, you must check where it runs underneath the engine. This pipe eventually perishes and breaks through, which is going to help you nothing when you go wading and it just sucks all the water through. So this is something that definitely needs checking now and then. So finally got a replacement. I think this is another hub bearing kit. Extension arm. 1, 2, 3, 4 UJs, universal joints, because I've never changed them. 360,000 kilometers.
Shit.
Heavy part of it. Clutch. Anyway, well, thank you very much, Bemak. I'm going to be going through this now, and I'm still debating whether I'm going to do the repair myself or if I'm going to take it down to the workshop for them to help me. So I guess I'm going to make a decision, right? Hey, Louisa.
Yeah.
All right. Off we go.
After some diagnostics, we had the mechanics come to our camp and do the repairs. We could have done it ourselves, but at €100, we thought it'd be best to help the local community. And we didn't have most of the tools available to get the engine out, and really didn't want to drop their gearbox and transfer case into the dirty sand that we were camped on. It turned out that we had a major failure to our clutch, where the parts were severed entirely from each other.
You dumbass. You're a dumbass. Such a dumbass. You're an ass.
Unfortunately, they didn't install it correctly and had to do it again, this time in their workshop.
Wait. Let me see.
Does it say flywheel?
Flywheel side. And that's the flywheel, so yeah.
Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button so you can watch our next video on what we got up to in Chef and the days following in Morocco.